Hey guys, we have a 2013 Nissan Altima SV, and we're gonna be installing this Oxilam LED lights, M55 series. All right, let's get to it. Okay, so here's the Oxilam LED lights. This one is the H1, H8, H9, H11. It's actually marked here. H8, not H1, H8 right here is marked there. And let's go ahead, open this up. So you can see long span, high brightness, off-road. All right. Slice this real quick. Then got this little seal in here. M55 series. There you go. Okay. This one comes with the gloves. So when you install it, and you have the menu here, product manual, tells you the installation, how to install it. This one says with 9 volts to 30 volts, 6500 kW. This is the good one. This is the optimum bright whites that you need. All right, let's have a closer look. Here's an E85 there. Okay, that's what it looked like here. So the fan is on top, so you can see the fan coming from the top instead of on the back side. All right, that's what comes in the box. It's 2 of them. What else inside? All right, and that's it, guys. We're gonna go ahead and install it to the car. This is going to the 2013 Nissan Altima SV. Let's go ahead and install it. All right, so on this one, I already installed one of them. I'm gonna show you where it goes. It's not on top of the hood. On the hood, it's gonna be on the side. So let me turn on the headlights. So you can see how that's the low beam. This one I already removed it. See how bright that is? So, and you can hear the fan. See, because it gets hot, it has a fan to cool it down somehow. So it goes from here on the back of this fender well. I'm gonna show you how to put it back, but I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna remove it this side. All right, so this is the old one. See, that is H11, and this one fits really good. So let's go ahead, put this back in. I'm gonna show you how to remove the other side. It should be the same process. You're gonna fold this up, and then as you can see, that's where it goes in the back there. So once this in, we go ahead. Ooh, let's go put this in there. I'm gonna show you on the other side how it goes in, but this one is already attached. Then right there, that's where it is. See that? It's already in. I'm gonna show you the other side how to remove it, so you can do it yourself. Go ahead, turn it on. We'll see what it looked like. Comparison from the old one and to the new one. So that's the old one, and this is the new one. And tonight we're gonna see it when you drive it. All right, from the driver's side, let's go ahead and pull it from here. I'm gonna bend this fender well put a light on here so y'all can see it. Okay, it's up there. Okay, so you can see. You can reach it with your hand, turn it the other way, and pull it out. And from here, you can go ahead remove this one. Let's remove that one. Let's go get the new LED. And it's only go one way. Let's go ahead, put it there. Before we put it in, I always check if it works. Just turn it on. There you go. Let's go ahead and install it. All right, let's go install it. Same way how we install the passenger side. There you go. Then twist, and that's it. Let's go ahead, check it, turn it on. That should be it. And let's go ahead test it on the road, what it look like. Okay, so here's my headlight before replacing to LED lights. And here's what it looked like when I'm driving. And the next clip, I'm gonna show you the difference when I install the new LED lights. Okay, so here's the light when it's outside. That's what it looked like on the wall. And I'm gonna show you now what it looked like when we start driving. But quick look. Pretty good. All right, so here's the view inside the car. You can see it pretty bright compared to what we had a while ago. All right guys, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.